Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo ki kubor na ke jylla.
Da ka Bos Leit Jurip ki MLA ki Jaintia ki badang yat shakmat haniu Shillong. Hadian balakut ke Dorbar mangtingka, mentagas ngi ke arpunyo tarik urimpang, Menteri Rangba ke jylla ukon rat sangma, lemat ki simbut Menteri Rangba, lampang ke Ïing Dorbar, noyalam kaliang persha bat ki MLA, kila yeshong da ka Bos Leit Jurip ya ke Ïing Dorbar ke Thymmai, bat ke Jaintia ki badang yat shakmat haniu Shillong Township. Hadian kila ya Pyllait Paidbah ya ki Bos Thymmai ki bala ai kerteng ka Bos Jong Ngi.
So we are on the STEM bus, and as you know, the STEM bus is also meant for our students. So this is also a message to our parents that the legislatures themselves are sitting in this STEM bus, and therefore it's absolutely safe, and we are here to show that to you, and really to encourage that more and more students and parents should adopt this, because it helps in the overall decongestion and reducing the traffic on the streets. So therefore, we encourage parents and students to take the STEM bus whenever possible. Thank you.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.